This is meteorologist Dan Baumgart with the National Weather Service in La Crosse with an update on the winter storm that's headed for our area and moving in this morning. We see winter storm warnings through the overnight hours for much of the region, as this is a massive storm in size and will affect much of the area with heavy snow and stronger winds. We see the snowfall heading north right now. It's about to move into southeast Minnesota and into the I-90 corridor. We're seeing road conditions deteriorate very quickly within 1 to 2 hours after the snow first starts. We have increased our snow totals a little bit into the 8 to 12 inch range because we're seeing less of a mix of precipitation than we originally thought. So most of that liquid's now going into snowfall. We do expect 1 inch per hour snowfall rates in the afternoon and evening, with the heaviest snowfall period from 3 to 9 p.m. And winds of 30 to 40 miles per hour will blow and drift some of that snow, especially in the open areas. Here's a radar image at 11 a.m. You can see the leading edge of the snowfall approaching Minnesota and into the I-90 corridor. We also see northeast Minnesota and southwest Wisconsin in the snow. A couple of images from the snowplows in Iowa from the DOT. We thank them for these images. Just into the snow, you can see the snow falling and blowing across the road with the streaks. You also see further south that the roads have become snow covered and accumulations are starting down more closer to Dubuque. So quickly deteriorating road conditions is the idea. Snow will continue to move north today. By mid-afternoon, we expect it to be in the Black River Falls to Wabasha County line and continuing to move north through central Wisconsin and into north central Wisconsin by late afternoon. Snowfall totals now, again, this has been an increase over the last few hours. We've bumped these up, but many areas seeing 8 to 12 inches of snow. Some could see around a foot from this, locally higher possibly. We still expect some sleet to be mixed in, but really that's going to be into far southwest Wisconsin and northeast Iowa. So not much sleet falling with this storm. So our big impacts are going to be the heavy snowfall that will fall, moderate to major, in the combination with blowing and drifting snow. And also the mix of precipitation is less than we had originally thought, so we're going to see more snow out of this, and so the sleet, freezing rain, and icing are not as big of a deal. So what are the impacts to you? Travel is going to become treacherous by later afternoon into the overnight. We're expecting many of the areas I-90 and south to see 4 or 5 inches by 4 or 5 o'clock this afternoon. The evening commute could get dangerous. Darkness as the sun goes down. You can see this picture over on the right. You're going to have treacherous driving and heavy snow. Winds are going to be blowing, and we expect maybe some closures as the evening progresses. Not many plows are going to be on the roads with this kind of condition going on. So act now. You know the information. Change your plans to avoid the worst weather and stay safe.